Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. To say it's cold today is a bit of an understatement. It's actually 6 degrees. I'm a man. I can take it. Can I This jacket that I've got, which I can't remember the name of it, I'll drop a link in the description, is a fantastic piece of kit. I've only actually got a t-shirt on under this and there's no draft whatsoever. It is fantastic. Today I'm going up Cannock Chase somewhere, I don't know where. It's just beautiful out this morning and I couldn't resist it. So I don't know where exactly I'm going, I'm just going to go there and then I'll come back again. Hopefully. Oh shit, that was close. The good thing about this peaked helmet is it blocks the sunlight out, but the trouble is if I put my head too far down I can't see. I've just stopped to let the traffic past. There isn't any. Well, ain't that weird. Oh bloody hell. I don't know why, but when this is cold and I open it up, it pulses the power. It never used to do it when it was warm out. For anybody who's got a GoPro 7, when you press the shutter button and you turn it on, it starts automatically recording in whatever resolution and settings you've actually got it set to, which is a bloody good idea. But what I didn't realise, because I don't RTFM, if you hold the power button in, what happens is it goes into time-lapse mode. So yesterday what I did was I set the camera and I held the power button in, I held the shutter button in, didn't realise that throughout the whole journey it was actually recording in time-lapse once every second. And I did some fantastic wheelies yesterday. I was proud of myself when I got back. You know, the one day that I wanted it to record and it bloody well didn't. In the UK at the moment we've got extreme weather happening. It's only 6 degrees at the minute, but by the end of the day it's going to be at least, what, 25 degrees? It's bloody stupid. That sort of feels loose to me. That's fine. Oh shit. I nearly dropped it. I have 3 men approaching, one with a walking stick, 2 dogs. They look savage. Am I going to get killed? Morning. Morning. Oh, this is the place. This is the place. Ooh. That's it. The scenery around here is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. It's so peaceful and so everything around here. You can't see what I can see, but over there, just above that line of trees, that's probably around about 40 or maybe 50 miles I can actually see in the distance. See if I can get it steady enough so I can zoom in. Anyway, that's enough of that. Ooh. I've probably got a back full of grass now. I've decided to give dating a break for a while because I just want to make all the ladies out there appreciate what they're missing. Oh God. Because evidently the ones who don't message me, there's something wrong with them. There must be. It can't be me. I bet they come down here at bloody 60 mile an hour and here's me 5 miles an hour. I'm going to tell people, I'm still getting a lot of emails off people direct about e-bikes and people who are emailing me and asking me about e-bikes and about configuring this, that and the other. I'm sorry, but I haven't got time. I've got a lot on my plate. I have to do I'm not going into detail, but there's a hell of a lot of things that I have to do, and I have to go to work and come home and go to sleep and shit like that, you know, all the boring stuff. But I can't answer emails anymore. I've had to let something give, and I'm sorry, but the email replies are the ones that I've had to give. So I apologise to the people who've emailed me direct and said, I want to buy an e-bike, or I want to build an e-bike, what do you reckon to this, what do you reckon to that? I haven't got time. I'm going to leave a link in the description again to the staff forum, which I paid for out of my own pocket, and it was purely to stop people from emailing me direct, because I just haven't got the time, and I do apologise. I do feel bad about it. But there's something, somewhere, has had to stop, and unfortunately the emails took it. One of the reasons why I stopped emailing people is because I was emailing, I think there was four people at one time, all building the same sort of stupid bloody bike. But I don't know why, those 4 people just stopped bothering. And I thought, well, you know, if they're not bothered, well, why should I? You know, if you're on a forum, there's loads of people can help you and pushing you on all the way, and that's what I was trying to do. But these people just stopped building, and I haven't got a clue why. I'm not going to email them and say, why did you stop? You know, if you didn't want to do it, that's up to you. But if I helped you, just have a bit of courtesy to say, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to do it anymore. Or f*** off. Or you're talking total bollocks, as usual. I hope I don't get lost. I got a clue where I am. Oh, a stream. Yeah, how deep's that? This exercise does me so much good. It's fantastic. I'm as slim as anything. A mean, lean fighting machine. You know what I mean? Round about a month ago, I think it was, I went to Seven Springs. It was one of get round there, bloody, start sliding this thing because they're bloody road tyres. I went to Seven Springs about a month ago, and this must be the road that I actually came through. I remember that brook back there. Actually, I better check my camera. Let's see if the GoPro's number 1's still there. It's covered in a bit of shit. Lovely. Where was I? Oh yeah, about a month ago. I went to Seven Springs and I was heading this way. So this must be the track that I went from, where I turned around and shit myself and thought, I don't know where I'm going. I better turn back. So I could have just kept going. Oh, this is nice. This is so scenic. Oh yeah, it's when I went mad off-road. Actually, this is where I had the problems with it. Things started falling off. Oh dear. Have you ever seen the Top Gear where they did the British Leyland thing and they went over the Myra, it was a Myra, something like test track. It'd be like my bike by the time I get there. There'd be nothing left of it. Morning, you miserable git. People walking their dogs and shit like that, people say, oh, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, how are you? Yes, lovely. Yeah, you get bikers, miserable bastards, absolutely miserable, won't even say hello, won't wave at you, won't, nothing. Actually, you know, I think I might go back that way. Or shall I go back up the road? No, because I want to go through Shugborough. Whoa, 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 boy. Jeez. Some people, eh? Whoa! Whoa! Well done, mate. What a twat. Where's my mirror? I need a mirror. That was a bit, what do you call it? Oh yeah, dangerous. I nearly put my knee out then. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this one here. I think I'm going to go around this estate here because it's a fantastic road. It is an absolutely fantastic road. Anyway, I'm going to end this one here and I'll catch you next time. And remember, life is definitely worth living. All you're going to do is get out there, find something that you enjoy every day, do it every day, and bollocks to what anybody else thinks.